Zero deaths, everyone.
Zero!
Let's go to the challenges.
What should be the first challenge?
I don't want. Oh, monkey!
But we still have access, of course, because we are the gang, we are the people. What's up, bro? It'd be the best ending of a vlog ever. You guys probably know the three of us together in a hotel room together. That's all the way down.
Wait, can you hear this? Safe.
I'm shitting my pants. Dude, you look like some weird kind of devil guy with that staff.
Safe.
Oh, Jesus. I've never...
The X over his head, then needle.
Went straight for the wall.
I know.
Nice. Here, get the camera. Get the camera. Here. Container.
No, scared.
Skip met that. Wait. Safe. Oh wow. Times 2.
Safe.
What was that?
How? Safe. You need me some more? Or what's the deal?
No, just because I'm injured. If I want
That's
like...
why. No, that's why. Okay. Safe.
You look like a beast. She basically is the ex-girlfriend of a bigger YouTuber in the Netherlands.
You to a parkour battle.
I challenge you.
2.
Safe.
Come on. 50k. What did you have to do? Wait. Safe. That was my celebration.
5 seconds ago I was so happy.